guys, so today I am going to try and use hair masks on my hair every single day. Now, typically I just use hair masks on my hair once a week, but this time I'm going to if it's going to make my hair even better, or is it going to make my hair healthier if I actually consistently use hair masks every day on my hair for 7 days straight. Now, the only thing about this when I do this challenge is I have to be very careful because sometimes overly moisturizing your hair or using too much protein on your hair can actually do more harm than good. So my strategy through the whole challenge is that I'm going to alternate using a moisturizing hair mask and then a protein hair mask. I'm gonna use whatever it is that I have here. Some days I will use moisturizing, hydrating, rich hair masks. And some other days I will also use some protein hair masks. Now I'm gonna do some of my DIYs, and to some I'm just gonna be using the ready-made hair masks that I have here. Alright, so that's it, and now let's begin this challenge. Alright you guys, so day one for this challenge. Since today is actually a very busy day for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a ready-made hair mask. I will be using a deep conditioning Brazilian keratin deep conditioning therapy, and with this one, this actually requires me to wash my hair first and then use this. Okay guys, so it's day 2, and today I actually decided to use the Dove 1 minute repair gel. And actually I was told that this is a great kind of like lightweight hair mask that you can use on your hair, just because honestly I think my hair does not need that much oils today, so I'm gonna keep it kind of like low-key, because the thing that I don't want to happen is I don't want my hair to be like overly moisturized to the point that it would look way down and all. And also how I use it, once again, I need to shampoo my hair first and use conditioner, and then apply that hair mask on my hair after. So basically that's all I'm going to do for day 2, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so day 3. I actually have more time today, so I'm using my DIY, and this is just mayo, almond oil, and olive oil. I actually ran out of my coconut oil, so this is what I will be using on my hair. So far, all of the masks that I have been using are pretty much hydrating masks. So probably the next time I do this, I will be using protein based just to kind of like balance out the moisture and the protein that I'm applying on my hair. Also, I noticed I know it's just day 3, but the bottom part of my hair feels very soft and smooth. And also I've been curling my hair with heat, and now it's kind of hard for me to hold curls. I was thinking that maybe it's from all of the masks that I've been putting on my hair and all that. But at the same time, even though I curl my hair still feels very, very soft and smooth, especially my ends. You guys, it's day 4 of me constantly using hair masks on my hair. And so far, my hair has been feeling really good. And my hair is actually extra soft today. And just to let you guys know also, I haven't really combed or brushed my hair properly, and surprisingly I can run my fingers through my hair and it feels very soft and smooth. You guys, so the challenge of putting hair mask every day on my hair for 7 days has finally ended, and this is the results of my hair. I really like that my hair is super hydrated right now, and also it feels very soft and smooth. And I think that my ends, or the bottom part of my hair, is the one who has benefited from this challenge so much. I just really feel like that it has jumpstarted my hair care routine game, just because sometimes, to be honest, I don't really have time to apply hair masks on my hair and all that. So before actually doing this challenge, I have just been using hair masks on my hair once a week, just because, as I've said, I don't really have the time. But this challenge has made me intentionally once again to apply hair masks on my hair, and I really like the result. I think the only annoying and painful part here is that I really have to wash my hair every day. Now I think this is good to do on your hair from time to time, but I don't think that I could do this long term or consistently, just because, as I've said, your hair is not really going to need that much hydration or need that much keratin. I think this challenge is great to do if you have extremely damaged hair, because it is really going to moisturize your hair once again and improve the texture of your hair as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and also let me know in the comments down below, how many times do you use hair masks on your hair, and have you guys tried doing this challenge as well? Also let me know your results, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!